friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Enermax Starryknight SK30 mid-tower case. So friend, Enermax launches a computer case for optimized airflow and bigger system builds. And friend, it is a mid-tower case designed with the curved mesh panel and latest 140mm Squa RGA fans at the front. And friend, the spacious interior space for system configuration, storage options, and especially two vertically GPU installation slots, which can give user not only a diverse system built inside the case but also provide outstanding ventilation. And it supports up to 405mm graphics card installation in length and also support up to 4x2.5-inch SSDs or 2x3.5-inch HDDs for more choices of storage option. And for most importantly, it is two vertically expanded slot can support user by vertical GPU installation needs. And for the removable HDD case creates extra room allowing user to install a longer power unit. And it can accommodate up to 360mm radiator in the front and on the top panel. And it can also support a maximum of 9x120mm cooling fan installation to make the system stable by a great ventilation performance. And from combining the features above with the curved mesh front panel, Starryknight can keep the system stay in stable temperature through superior system cooling performance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.